instance in Linux system. So here are instance settings. So when we go to the instance, there is no running instance there, so we have to launch one instance. And let's this instance name will be my EC2, and we have to prefer Ubuntu system right now. So we are choosing T2 micro for free tier uses. So key pair name should be, let's select new, create new pair, which will be like my EC2 instance. It will be PEM key. So we are going to download it now. Now we have to create security groups which have SSH HTTPS allowed, and we are using default GPT settings for hard drive. So if we go into advanced settings, there is no need to do anything. So let's launch this instance. So we have launched instance and it will be show here. Let's refresh it. So yeah, so it's here. The instance state is pending right now. So there are so many security groups in there which have inbounds and outbound rules. Inbounds rules are which where traffic comes in which ports, like for 22 it is for SSH connect settings, and for 443 it is HTTPS in traffic in settings, and 80 is the HTTP for inbound. So outbound will be all traffics. We have to serve all the requests from here, so that's why there is outbound rules for all. So this instance is running right now. So let's connect to this instance. If we use connect, there is a session manager. We can access this with the browser if we have correct settings here. So let's connect. So it's establishing connection with the server we have created. So yeah, so the server is here right now. So if we go, so there are so many folders. If you ping to the google.com, it will ping the google.com. So the instance is running quietly. Yeah, so this is the EC2 launch video. Thanks.